On the off chance that you're searching for Theta organization cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Theta organization Theta will go from now on, we will examine the previous costs of Theta organization Theta and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Theta organization is $1.60 and Theta is right now positioned #58 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Theta organization is 1 billion with a market cap of $1,596,491,741. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Theta organization's cost has shown a decent increment of 4.85% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Theta was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 8%. Theta organization has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Think about the market capitalization of Theta organization and other top digital forms of money with our instinctive apparatus. Perceive how the complete worth of every cryptographic money's flowing stock stacks facing others, and gain bits of knowledge into the market elements. Select 2 digital forms of money to analyze their market cap and envision the outcomes. We foresee future Theta organization cost expectations that a figure by applying profound computerized reasoning help specialized investigation on the past value information of Theta organization. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Theta coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Theta organization market cap, Theta organization volume, and not many more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Theta organization value expectation outline. As of the most recent update, Theta organization is exchanging at around $1.60. There is potential for Theta organization cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as $3.23 toward the finish of 2025. Theta organization cost estimate recommends a chance of Theta exchanging between $17.11 to $20.72 in 2030. The cost of 1 Theta would reach as high as $1,057 by 2040. In a bullish situation, Theta organization could outperform the $1,330 mark for 2050. Displaying possible vertical energy. Theta organization value expectation 2024. Theta organization cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $1.85 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $2.06 with the typical conjecture cost of $1.93. Theta organization value forecast 2025. The cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $2.68 in 2025. The Theta organization cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $3.23 with the typical exchanging cost of $2.77 all through 2025. Theta value figure for 2026. The cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $3.77 in 2026. The Theta organization cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $4.54 with a typical exchanging cost of $3.88 all through 2026. Theta organization Theta value forecast 2027. According to the gauge in specialized examination, in 2027 the cost of Theta organization is supposed to reach at least value worth of $5.55. The Theta cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $6.56 with the typical worth of $5.74. Theta organization value expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta, in 2028 the cost of Theta organization is estimated to be at around a base worth of $8.45. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at a limit of $9.85 with the typical exchanging worth of $8.67 in USD. Theta organization value expectation 2029. The cost of 1 Theta organization is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $12.05 in 2029. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $14.90, with the typical cost of $12.48 all through 2029. Theta Organization Theta Value Expectation 2030. Theta Organization cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $17.11 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $20.72, with a typical estimate cost of $17.61. Theta Organization Value Gauge 2031. The cost of Theta Organization is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $25.72 in 2031. The Theta Organization cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $29.89, with a typical cost of $26.61 all through 2031. Theta Organization Theta Value Forecast 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta, in 2032 the cost of Theta Organization is anticipated to reach at least degree of $36.58. The Theta cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $45.06, with the typical exchanging cost of $37.91. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2033. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Theta Organization is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $53.57. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $63.57, with the typical exchanging cost of $55.09. Theta Organization Value Estimate 2040. Long-haul expectations ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the intrinsic vulnerabilities in the digital money market. Broadening and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are key systems for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our Theta cost forecast, the year 2040 can end with a greatest cost of $1,057, while the base value worth of a Theta organization can be around $846.20, with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $917.27 approximately. Theta value gauge for 2050. Inspecting verifiable execution gives setting, yet it is essential to perceive that previous exhibition isn't characteristic of future outcomes. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of Theta organization is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $1,126. The Theta cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $1,330, with the typical worth of $1,202. Theta organization value figure facts. How high might Theta at any point of range go? The typical cost of Theta organization Theta could go to $1.93 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the $8.67 mark. What amount does Theta Organize cost in 2025? The cost of Theta Organization will increment as additional financial backers engage in the venture. In year 2025, Theta Organization will be worth about a normal cost of $2.